Hey, it's Mike here. I'm still messing with music. We've got problems with our Traveler guitar. I'm getting ready to head to Greece and wanted to bring my Traveler guitar along. I ran into a problem with it when I was in the UK, and when I had my X-Vibe transmitter in it and pulled it out, along came the socket. And along with that, you've got a very short wire that broke off, so not a lot of room to work with. I was able to solder it together and was able to do that last video. So I'm going to give it a try to do a better job of fixing it this time. One of the problems is that there's a nut that needs to hold this inside here, and without that nut, and there's nothing to hold it in. I put tape around it when I was in the UK so that it was jammed in there a bit, but and then that didn't hold. When I went to pull out the transmitter again, it popped right out on me. So I'm going to have to figure out how to get this nut onto here and hold this in place permanently again. So this is a problem I had with my first Traveler guitar as well. The one I sent back, it was loose and this was moving around, and it was no doubt because this nut, which the access panel, you open up this access panel and you have access to this in here where you can work on it. Very, very, very tight space, very, very hard to get that nut on there. So let's give it a try and see if we can get this baby working so I can bring you some great music from Greece, from both Athens and out on the Naxos Island. So wish me luck. So I'm set up here to do the soldering. Important that we put the nut on the wire before we stick it through the hole, obviously. The lock washer goes on and we go through here, pop out the other side. I've separated the two wires the best I can. Noted that the black wire goes on the longer of the two leads, and the white one goes on the shorter. So this is very tricky work for fat fingers like mine. Really tiny posts that we're soldering onto, and I haven't soldered for a long time, so it was quite a good challenge. And wow, that was hot. Now the trick to getting the nut on is to tip the guitar up and let gravity help set the nut on the threads, then use a screwdriver to leverage it to push it around. And there you have it. Putting her all back together again, good as new. All right, we're heading for Greece. Keep messing with music.